They all are my friends, and right now we are going to take a bath in a river. I think we have to go this way. Amit, I think we have to go this way, not that way. Huh? I told you this way. Hey guys, you people are just like a Superman lifting a cycle like it's nothing. Honestly, I'm telling you. Right now, I'm thinking this guy is amazing when it's come to a cycling. Uh, because he's good, really good at it, and he's right now helping me to hold the camera while cycling. Hey guys, what do you think about this way? I think this is the right way, right? uh, I'm thinking now three people are in an adventure, and I think having a fun during lockdown it's a good thing. I'm right or wrong? Please let me know in the comment box. And I think we almost there because right now you can look over there. I'm able to see some cycles, bike cycles are there. As I said, we are almost there. I'm able to hear waterfall, guys. I'm able to hear waterfall, and honestly, I'm quite excited. You can see beautiful river over there. Honestly, I'm excited, man. Look at the view of this place. It's amazing. What do you think? I must need to careful here because if I fall down here, probably I will break my legs. Okay, so be careful here, guys. Let me tell you one story about this place. I heard so many stories and rumors about this place. Honestly, I'm telling you. Probably 2 years ago, two children came here for swimming and died here. People didn't know how they died. People says ghost killed them. It's all about rumors. But I personally, honestly, I'm thinking that probably they didn't know how to swim properly. So we must need to be careful here, and so we must need to consider this story. Okay, if you don't know how to swim properly, so don't go into this water. Honestly, I'm telling you. Yeah. So I don't want to remove my shirt because I don't have a good body. I don't want to show you in this camera. Okay. Okay, so I'm going into this water, and I just want to show you a little glimpse of this place. Okay, so you will get idea what kind of place is this. Water is very cold. Honestly, I'm feeling cold water in my feet. Okay, so it's beautiful. Honestly, and I think it's not far away from my home, so I can, if I want, then I will come here each and every day. My friends are standing over there, by the way. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my this YouTube channel. My name is JD Machi, and be honest and tell you, in this lockdown I'm quite bored at home, and therefore I decided I want to take a cool bath at Jamupara. Jamupara actually located at Dahanu, so I just want to show you a little glimpse of this place.
mana English na yun.
Uh, I think this little monster swimming good. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box. I forgotten my shampoo at home. I didn't bring it. He's swimming really good, nice. I just want to swim like this one day. I think he's very shy to camera. Look at him. Whoa, he back. So he's my friend, and now we are going to get see backflip. I think that dude is awesome. What do you think about it? So please let me know in the comment box. Uh, they are going far away from here. Uh, these dude are awesome, man. They has a unique talent with them, and he's going jump into the water. His name is Rushikesh Anand. Let me tell you their name, okay? Let me tell you their name. Santosh. His name is Santosh. Uh, I think this guy is right for me. Hey guys, can you teach me how to swim? He's doing very well job in this water. Amazing, man. I just want to learn to swim just like him. Honestly, man, he's awesome. That dude is awesome. Hey Amit and Kiran, what are you doing exactly? I don't understand. They are taking out stone from the water. What are you doing exactly, man? The people are going insane. I am just kidding, okay? They are just having fun.
Ay, ay, para Charlie.